Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild primate known for its intelligence and complex social behavior, generally not human-friendly in the wild. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as chimpanzee, chimpanzee, chim, pan, see, chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are known for their use of tools, their ability to learn sign language, and their strong family bonds within their social groups. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about chimpanzees, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.